Okay, welcome back. This is Motec. I'm Noel Moses Modende. In this video, we are going to learn on how to protect our device from any alteration or modification. So, how can we do this? We'll use CMD or command prompt in a window to set read-only permission and to protect any user from writing it. So, here in this folder, there is a resource. This is an article which explain on how you can make or protect a USB drive from being altered or modified. So for a good guide you can follow this, but so far or for the time being, let me show you how to do it. On your search bar, type CMD. After that, run it as the administrator. Okay, now write disk part. Disk part. Okay, after this is command which allow modification of hard drive found in computer, making partition and any change. So after making the first command, you need to list the disk. You need to know how number or how many disks are found in your computer. So list the disk. Now you can see we have this 1 terabyte which is internal, but this is our USB drive. So what you need to do is to select a disk which you need to work on. So for the time being, we'll use this disk which is USB drive. So right here, select disk 1. Now disk 1 is selected. So before we make any change or we set our read-only property, we need to see what are the attributes or what are the characteristics of current USB drive. So to do that, write attributes disk. Now you can see current read state is no, so we need to set it yes, so that we can protect any user from making change to our USB. So to do that, you need to write this command, attributes disk set read only. Then you can see successful. Now you cannot make any modification from this USB which is found in your computer. We can't make any change. So that is the end of this session on how to protect it from being modified. So after protecting your USB drive from being modified is where you can start your investigation, and that sounds better because all evidences or all data which will help you to draw out your evidence are now protected. So after finishing this investigation, you'll need to bring it back to its normal right by removing this permission. So you need to write attribute disk clear read only after finishing your investigation. Attributes disk clear read only. So this command will clear property. Now it's done. Now your USB drive is in its normal condition. After finishing that, you can exit. Now you're out. So that is the end on how to make USB drive in read-only state, or to protect it from any modification of data by assigning read-only property or permission to the USB. That's the end of this tutorial video. I'm Noel Moses Modende, and this is Motech. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Goodbye. See you in the next video on which we will start to create USB drive image by using FTK Image Creator. Do not miss it. See you next time.